In a town where the oil industry's growth has significantly increased the population in recent years, an extraordinary hailstorm blankets the streets. Out in the tumultuous North Sea in 2021, a rescue vessel battles a Force 12 storm, one of the most severe classifications. Caught in the grip of a furious windstorm, trees sway violently and debris dances in the air. These powerful vortexes of air can obliterate everything in their path, leaving behind a trail of devastation in mere minutes. In just a matter of hours, these waters can inundate entire towns, leaving behind a trail of destruction and despair. The sheer force of moving earth can sever connections between communities, causing chaos and requiring extensive, costly repairs. Back on the rescue vessel, we see waves crashing over the deck, which sits around 12 feet above the waterline. These aren't just waves. As floodwaters rise, desperate families flee their homes, carrying whatever they can salvage. Here, a man battles against a fierce wind, struggling to stay on his feet. This isn't just a breeze. On this mountainside, a landslide is in progress, sending tons of earth and rock tumbling down. Such events can reshape entire landscapes, burying everything in their path under a thick layer of debris. Here is a sinkhole suddenly opening up. It is a natural depression or hole in the Earth's surface, caused by the collapse of underlying soil or rock layers. Watch as this man is knocked over by the sheer force of the wind. Despite his efforts to stand his ground, the wind's power is too great, demonstrating just how helpless humans can be in the face of nature's fury. Under the cover of night, wildfires rage, their flames consuming everything in their path. These infernos can spread rapidly, driven by winds and fueled by dry vegetation. In the midst of a sandstorm, powerful winds whip sand through the air, reducing visibility to near zero. These storms can strip paint off cars, damage buildings, and create hazardous breathing conditions. Here, strong winds tear through a neighborhood, bending trees and sending debris flying. The force of these winds can uproot trees, damage homes, and create dangerous conditions for anyone caught outside. Floodwaters inundate this area, turning streets into rivers and submerging homes. Such flooding can result from heavy rainfall, overflowing rivers, or storm surges. Security camera footage captures a sudden flood on an otherwise ordinary road. The rapid rise of water highlights the unexpected and swift nature of flash floods, which can catch people off guard and sweep away vehicles and debris. These solid chunks of ice can cause significant damage to property, vehicles, and agriculture, and pose a serious threat to anyone caught in the open. Here we witness a massive rock slide as tons of rock and debris cascade down a mountainside. Heavy rainfall in Huancabamba has caused this road to collapse, a consequence of the soil becoming oversaturated and unstable. This event has led to 15 landslides, completely isolating the area and highlighting the importance of infrastructure resilience. Floodwaters overwhelm natural defenses, inundating this industrial area. A tornado strikes a residential area, its powerful winds tearing roofs off homes and sending debris swirling. This level of destruction showcases the terrifying power of tornadoes and their potential to devastate communities. Here, a section of this cliff suddenly collapses, a dramatic example of coastal erosion. This event is both impressive and disturbing, serving as a reminder of the dynamic and sometimes unstable nature of our environment. The people nearby had just left the area, narrowly escaping disaster. This close call highlights the unpredictability of natural hazards. During a typhoon, powerful winds topple trees and create hazardous conditions. The aftermath, with debris scattered and trees uprooted, illustrates the destructive force of these tropical cyclones. A massive glacier collapses into the ocean, creating a spectacular yet concerning sight. This event, known as calving, contributes to rising sea levels and is a vivid indicator of climate change impacts. In a terrifying scene, a house collapses into a river due to the erosion caused by fierce floodwaters. This dramatic event underscores the destructive potential of landslides and the importance of proper land management. This natural phenomenon can bury everything in its path, posing a significant threat to life and property in mountainous regions. Strong winds lash across the landscape, bending trees and creating hazardous conditions. These winds are here we see a massive landslide that can cause widespread damage falling and disrupt daily life. This event blocks the road and creates a scene full of horror and danger, emphasizing the destructive power of landslides. In the aftermath of the landslide, 2 excavators work to clear the debris. This scene highlights the significant effort and with strong gusts causing damage and creating dangerous conditions. Such storms can disrupt daily life, damage infrastructure, and pose risks to public safety. A fierce hailstorm pounds the area, with large hailstones accumulating on the ground. This event demonstrates the intensity of hailstorms and their potential to cause significant damage. Lightning strikes during a severe storm, illuminating the sky with bright flashes. This dramatic display is a reminder of the electrical power that storms can unleash, posing risks of fires and electrical damage. A mudslide flows down a road, covering the surface with thick, muddy debris. Mudslides can be triggered by heavy rainfall. A powerful storm unleashes its fury with strong winds bending trees and creating hazardous conditions. This event highlights the destructive potential of severe storms and the importance of preparedness. In a terrifying moment, a house collapses into a river due to the force of floodwaters. This scene underscores the devastating impact that floods can have on homes and communities. Part of a cliff suddenly collapses, creating an impressive yet disturbing scene. This event reminds us of the instability of natural formations and the unpredictable forces of erosion. Take a look at this breathtaking moment. A massive avalanche cascades down the slopes of the Himalayas. People below stand in awe, capturing the raw, unstoppable power of nature. This event is a stark reminder of the immense forces at play in mountainous regions. This dust storm might look small, but it's surprisingly powerful, effortlessly swirling and sending numerous chairs flying in its wake. Dust devils, though smaller than tornadoes, can still cause significant disruption and damage. Strong winds whip through the air, bending trees and creating a live, chaotic scene. These powerful gusts are a hallmark of severe storms, capable of causing widespread damage. A car is swept away by raging floodwaters, highlighting the danger and unpredictability of flash floods. Despite the driver's efforts, the force of the water is too strong, carrying the vehicle downstream.